friends, welcome to my Technofunology YouTube channel. In this video, I am discussing about lead generation dominator and bonuses. So kickstart your own info selling business today with this brand new PLR on hot lead generation topic and keep 100% lead and profits. Why grab this PLR product today? Tap into $90 billion info selling businesses. Put your name and sell it as your own. Keep 100% lead and profit, no sharing at all. Come with DFI sales material so you can start selling today. Get with full PLR rights. This is a sales page. I give you link of this sales page below the description of this video. You go there and you click on this link and you click on this button and buy now. You can put your name on this brand new training and start selling as your own in 3 easy steps. First step is download the complete package, and second step is edit and put your brand name on the training and all sales material, and third step is upload and publish all the sales material to start selling for lead and profit. Yeah, it is a really that simple. You can sell unlimited copies on JVZoo and Warrior Plus and ClickBank and through any other channel of your choices and make huge profit like this, guys. That is just one method to make profit with this brand new PLR training, and here are some more way to use this. First, sell it for $9 to $97 a pop and make huge profit. Use it to grow your own business online. Use it to create a private membership. Use it as a high quality bonus to your product. Use it to train your team. Use it to build your own list by offering it as a gift. Use it as a high quality content for your seminar, webinar or training. Use it to prospect your client and close the deal. Use it to train your client and charge them big bucks. Use it to learn and offer lead generation training service for thousands of dollars. Here is exactly what you will get inside. First, module number 1 is a high quality training guide, value at $720, and check segment and tips that you will discover after downloading our training guide. Chapter 1 is a various type of leads and their uses. Chapter 2, plan for long term profit from leads, and chapter 3 is a how to in case aspiration. Chapter 4 is a how to build trust and make followers. Chapter 5, using squeeze pages to build a list. Chapter 6, how to write a high converting copy. Chapter 7, various way to generate leads. Chapter 8, turn a lead into a paying buyer. And chapter 9 is how to manage leads with useful tools. And chapter 10 is most effective lead generation strategy. And module 2 is a cheat sheet. Value is $20. This cheat sheet is a checklist which breaks up the whole training into easy steps to make sure that every step is clear to understand and help you to master lead generation and reach your goal. Module number 3 is a mind map. Value is a $40. This mind map will help your customer to get a clear outline of the complete training and will help them to understand them better. And module number 4 is a top resources report, value at $20. Here you will have access to a complete niche research report showing you the best videos, tools, training, blog, forums, affiliate program, demographics, webinar, infographics and fact, all the centered on lead generation domination. And module number 5, high converting sales copy, value is $320. And module number 6 is in this module number 6, 6 professional ministries, value $160. high converting and beautifully designed professional ministries having every single HTML page that your product needs. Homepage, contact, privacy policy, terms of use, and opt-in page for buyers, download page, and even an affiliate page already formatted with the banner and swipe emails for your affiliate. Not only this, we are also providing mini sites with different colors. And module number 7, sales video value is at $320. Video are in demand. Every successful marketer and business are using videos and nowadays to showcase or explain their product and services to keep you in the same league. We have created an expensive video on the sales page which will skyrocket your conversation right from the beginning. Module number 8, swipe emails for affiliate value is a $20. Module number 9, complete set of animated banner value at a $160. Banner are very effective in showcasing your product and offers. We have created complete set of banner to grab attention and to save your time and money. Module number 10 is complete set of professional graphic value at $240. Yes, that is a huge value that comes with this package. Let's summarize what you are getting. Module number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is a total value of more than $2,000, but today you can get all of this for less than $10. If you want to purchase this, you click on this button and you buy it. To help you kickstart your info selling business, even if you don't know ABCD of how to make profit from PLR product, we are giving you fast action bonus number 1, high value training on proven launch process, and fast action bonus number 2, 5-day crash course on buying and selling PLR product. Here are the list of bonuses for your customer to get you extra conversation, sales, and commission. Bonus number 1 is a social traffic plan. Bonus number 2 is a YouTube channel SEO. Bonus number 3 is a 60-minute profit. Bonus number 4 is a profit builder. Bonus number 5 is a how to create lead magnet. 6 is a done for your lead magnet. And 7 is a rapid lead magnet. And 8 is a rebranding PLR videos. And 9 is a extreme branding. And a 10 is a the complete internet marketing strategy. This is a sales page. I give you link of this sales page below the description of this video. You go there and you click on this link and you buy lead generation dominator. So what are you waiting for? You are getting everything to ensure your success starting today. Take action now and get this brand new training with full PLR rights for less than $10 before the price shoot up. Now today's price is only $7. You click on this yellow button and you get the lead generation dominator. Also, to help you decide faster, we are also giving 30-day money back guarantee. So if this will not work for you, then simply tell us and we will refund your money. Yes, you are completely covered. And the most important is, and here what you can do and what you can't do with this brand new PLR training. So first you can do this. You can edit it, rename, rebrand, and sell and sold as it is not less than 9. Price tag can be bundled with other product, can be offered as a bonus for your other product, can be used to create audio and webinar video product, can give them to your affiliate to promote you, can give away for free in exchange of lead, can be added to paid membership site, can be offered through auction site, can claim full authorship, can alter any of graphics. What you can't do with this brand new PLR training, you can't publish as a web content, you can't sell resell right, you can't sell master resell right, you can't sell private resell right, you can't add to free membership sites, you can't just pass away the product to anywhere. anyone. Stop thinking and take action as you are covered with 30-day money back guarantee. This is sales page of vendor. I give you link of this page below the description of this video. You go there and you click on this link and you buy now. You click on this button and you buy now this. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, you hit like button and share this video and you subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.